Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to lattice lace shoes. It looks a little bit tricky, but I promise if you go slowly and follow along with me, you'll have it done in no time. So start by slipping a sock underneath your shoe tongue. This will help the pattern come out lovely and evenly. Then go ahead and lace your lace through the two bottom eyelets, as I've done here. Make sure the lace is coming up from underneath the eyelets and is sitting nice and straight and your laces are of equal length. Now we're going to take this lace and bring it across the shoe tongue and down into the fourth eyelet from the bottom, like this. Just take your time, go nice and slowly and make sure everything looks nice and straight. Then we're going to take the same lace and bring it up into the fifth eyelet from the bottom, from underneath this time, as you can see I'm doing here. Remember to just keep pausing the video and take this as slowly as you need. Then we're going to bring this lace back over and down into the second eyelet on this side here to create another little diagonal line there. Then we're going to bring it up into this eyelet, the third from the bottom, from underneath, like this. Bring it back over to the right hand side and feed it into the second eyelet from the top, from underneath this time, not going down into it from above, if you see what I mean. Now we'll have three diagonal lines that's going to help us form our lattice pattern. Take the other lace and weave it over this lace, under the middle lace, and over the other one here. And we're going to bring it into the fourth eyelet from the bottom on the left hand side, just like this. Remember to go slowly, straighten everything out, and we're starting to get our pattern here. Then bring it up into the next eyelet up from underneath. And we're going to bring it back over, but this time we're going underneath this diagonal line, over the middle diagonal line, and underneath the last diagonal line like this. And then down into the second eyelet from the bottom on the right hand side. We're really starting to get our pattern forming now, and it's looking great. Now we're going to take the lace into the third eyelet from the bottom on this side from underneath. And then we're going to do our final lattice weave. We're going to go over the diagonal line, under the second diagonal line, and over the third one here. And we're going to bring the lace up into the second eyelet down from the top on this side here. And as you can see, we have our lattice pattern. It's looking a little bit messy, but now's the time to just take a minute to straighten everything up and get it looking good. Once you're satisfied with how the pattern's looking, go ahead and loop your bow as normal. Don't forget to subscribe so you can save this video and come back to it for later and not lose it. But there you have it, a pair of lattice lace shoes. If you found the info in this video helpful, it'd be awesome if you could hit the like button, and make sure to check out my other videos. I have diamond lacing, which looks awesome, star lacing, which is coming back in fashion, and no lacing, which is where I show you how to lace the word no on your Converse or shoes. It looks really cool.